Hey, what's up, 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 guys? What's up, what's up, what's up? Welcome again to Make Money More channel. So, today I want another website, guys, where you can chat to strangers, and make money, guys, like chatting to lonely people, So, I'm gonna quickly show you guys this website. I know it sounds insane, but yeah, guys, it is. So I'm gonna quickly show you guys how to utilize this website. So without wasting any of your time, let's just jump right into it. Okay, guys. So I'm on the website now. So as you can see here, welcome to assign friend. Find friends online, with collections. So that's basically cheating to strangers, guys. You can ping, so and then get the most out of rent or side of rent, making deep connection have never been easy. Okay, so you can video calls, um, as you can see here, you see make it very with great quality video calls instantly. Many inspiring to consider secured and to encryptions. So, and then you see pay payment, guys. So connect for as low as 0.1 per minute every first minute is for free. And then follow your favorite, keep an eye on a favorite server, friends, and connect with them when they're online. Okay, so let's say fast and secured. So pay secured and cheap for your friend. So yeah, guys. Okay, to get started, you can click here. We're gonna click on become a cyber friend, to earn. And then we become cyber friends. So are you passionate about anything or looking for ways to earn money on the site? Then a cyber friend is for you. You receive video calls from callers who want you to engage them on what matters to you both. And then they say earn from anywhere in the world. Get started, sign up, interest in money, code and stuff. So cyber friend requirement, an opportunity for everyone, no degree or certificate are needed. You must have a good internet connection and email. So be passionate about what you do, guys, and be 18 years and above, and have a good smile, be friendly, guys. So that's basically the requirement, uh, of this site. So I enter and then create a password, a password here.
and then accept. So if you want to receive weekly newsletter, it's optional, guys. You can click on not, and then sign up now. And then, so for me, I do have an account here, so I'm gonna begin here and show you guys the website. Okay, now so I'm on the dashboard now. As you can see, I'll see you guys. I got created this account yesterday. Yeah. So you need to have like followers, guys. People like we enjoy talking to. It's either you can follow them or they can follow you if you did feel the same thing and stuff. So if you want to accept calls, uh, so as you can see now, I'm online now. I can accept calls and stuff. So if I want to accept your calls, I will click on here, and then now I'm offline. Like you can like set your own schedule, guys. Like if you're free, and then you can click here to accept calls. Whenever someone calls you and stuff, and then they can be able to get you and stuff. So yeah, guys.
Okay, guys, thank you for watching this video. I feel enjoy it. I click the like button and difficult question. I'll put them on the comment section. I'll make sure to answer your queries. So, her and that, guys. I'll see you on the next video.